This is what usually for how to do that back with the Turkish. It's always going to be on.
This is my grandma's.
I cut the ends of the eggplants with the top and the bottom. They want to cut the lengthwise and just brush it with extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to do that with the pastry brush. It's, just brush it with olive oil. I'm going to get this one.
Right, exactly right. Keep on doing it.
Let's see what we got here. Brush. Oh, you got it? Yep, I got this one for pastry brush. I toasting the walnuts into the skillet. It's gonna be nice and fragrant.
See, a little bit of olive oil, yep. And then, Kyle, do you have parchment paper?
Oh, right, parchment paper, and let me check what we got here. I have a large cookie sheet. Yeah, right here, but I'm gonna make sure to doesn't get really stick together. Put this over here. While the oven is on the way to preheat it. Alright, got the parchment paper. Now what should I do for it?
Great, and then you'll brush a little oil on both of the cut sides. And then you'll put the cut side face down onto the parchment paper.
Face down onto the parchment paper. Hold up. I'm just gonna cut side down and eggplant.
What? Want me to look on my phone?
Yeah, that was cut side down in half.
Great. And then is your oven at about 400?
I set it up here, up to about 150, waiting for 400.
Okay. And then when it's 400, you'll put it in for about 35 minutes or so.
Oh, you said 25 or 35?
I think 35. Mine is still in the oven.
Alright,
Because it's supposed to get nice and soft, but I don't even know exactly how long. So when John signs on, he could tell us. But I think when we start, we're supposed to have the eggplant kind of soft and baked.
25 or 35, we'll see how it works. What I have here, this is the medium-sized tomatoes, a couple of that. Or if you know what type of tomatoes you want, if you can put plum tomatoes, pineapple tomatoes, beef tomatoes, whatever tomatoes prefer, any variations. I also got the red bell peppers, and it says a garlic cloves, but I didn't realize I don't have garlic cloves, but I'm gonna try with the garlic powder, then I'm gonna see how that goes. And it says lemon, but because lemon's already finished that too. Let me try with the lemon juice, and I have to see how that goes with John. Let me check what we got here. Parsley, and it's right here. I'm gonna give you guys. Make sure to see it right back, but it smells like parsley. While we're waiting for John, we'll be on the way. I'm gonna give you guys that I have a big eggplant. It says a too large one, but I already have the big fat eggplants. Just line with parchment paper. Just already brush with olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, whatever olive oil you prefer. Just put it cut side down onto the parchment paper, lined with cookie sheet. I'm still waiting for about 400 degrees, 25 or 35 minutes, but I'm not sure what it quite, but I'm gonna see how that works. Also, I toast the walnuts into the non-stick skillet. Just, I don't want to burn the walnuts because if it gets just a little burnt on it, but that's alright. And while we're waiting for the oven is preheated, and it will be ready to go. Let me try with this one. It's
on the recipe.
I'm gonna see what you guys here. Hey, actually gonna remove the seeds from the tomatoes. Wait, let me.
How are you, Liz? Good. How was your week? Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, still plenty of seeds from the tomatoes.
John, do we want to get rid of the goopy, seedy part?
Say it again.
Do we want to keep or get rid of the seedy, goopy part of the tomato?
No, I prefer to keep it because it's juicy and we need that juiciness.
What's the juicy part?
This coming out of the tomato.
But then the tomato gets normal, okay?
That's good. Oh, that's a good question. With the juice like this.
Not the drinking juice.
Right. Okay, go on. Go ahead, push. Push. Look like you're doing it.
Mama?
Yeah, you're doing it. You're the cook.
Juice after like.
I'm the soup chef, I know that.
Let's get smushed for that one.
Liz, how is everything?
Oh, good right now. I'm like, they're already outdoor dining.
Outdoor dining, but when we went to a restaurant, the staff, many of them were not wearing masks, and it was upsetting.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's a must here, like it's by law.
Mm-hmm.
You
Should
have
be
to-
here too. But the busboys said, it's too hot, we can't do it. So,
Yeah.
And then the waitress said it's been a long day, right?
it's been a long day.
Yeah, but that's not an excuse.
I know.
Yeah, that's shocking. I think they could get tickets for that, can't they?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now lift it, push it all in there, right? Again.
You can even take the public transportation without a mask here. They won't let you.
There, Emily?
I know. I think that's the case here too. You can't get on a bus or subway without mask. But
Kind of.
we're not riding a subway right now.
See the seats, guys? Almost here. I don't want any seats. Let me just remove that.
All right, Lizzie?
John?
Okay.
John? When you soften eggplant, how long do you bake it for?
So it depends on the size of the eggplant, but usually it's like 35 to 40 minutes at least.
400?
As Fahrenheit, I think so.
You cooking with a knife?
Normally, I always like make holes with the knife. It makes it faster.
Oh, yeah, I didn't do that. But can I
Yeah.
poke to see how soft it should be or whatever?
Definitely, if you put the knife and if it's coming out like super easily, it means it's done. It's cooked.
Alright, we'll see how that works. Yeah, let me finish cutting up those tomatoes. I'll be back. Alright, let me do this out in the bowl. I just already chopped out some tomatoes and then dice up with this one with peppers. Parsley, already chopped into it. I cut with some scissors.
John, can you
See it?
hear?
3 tablespoons, guys. 3 tablespoons.
What?
Lizzie was just asking how many tablespoons of olive oil.
It's 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons, Brian.
3 tablespoons of olive oil, yes.
Alright, let me go get this going here. 5 tablespoons. Here what John's.
I think the nuts go on the top, you said.
Yeah, so there's two. All right, do some
Everything said.
Let me go take out this garlic powder.
And once you put your olive oil, we're gonna add our salt and pepper.
Teaspoon. I'm gonna get this one.
Check that out. Check that out.
Yeah. Eggplant's almost getting on there.
You can decorate it with walnut on top.
Nice.
And just a quick that this is, I would say like appetizer-ish And it's also good with pita bread. But if you guys wanna try, I mean, maybe you can try it like later on or whatever. But if you guys like tahini, you can always put some tahini on it. It will be like mashed together stuff like just well. So it's up to you. But this is the original recipe. But if you guys want to add like some tahini, it's also perfect. So
Okay,
if you guys want to try it.
we'll try that part of it.
I can reheat
Tastes wonderful.
the toasted the walnuts.
And then do you eat this on like bread or just on its own?
On the flat,
With like we always eat with bread.
Hot bread.
It's like before main dish, you know.
Let me see what we got.
And also you can like toast some bread, Laura, like something like bruschetta, and you can always put it on top. It will be also be good, I guess.
What?
I might look up how to make flat bread. I heard everyone
Hey
say
John, I just already toasting the
Everybody loved that. Yes, it was really
one
nice
cup of
class. I love that class.
into the
I'm gonna have to
non-stick skillet to get initial favorite and the one in burn the walnuts. I'm gonna make sure to retoast this.
Oh, salt and pepper, Brian.
Hold on, I'm gonna get back a
And
moment.
whenever you're done,
Wear your mask anyway, so.
yes, that's correct. Yes, God.
Yeah, John's getting away for the moment about the eggplants. I just already
So
tenderizing that.
Kyle, let me tell you what to do with the eggplants, okay?
Alright, what is it?
So you're gonna peel the eggplants.
Peel the
and you're
eggplant?
just gonna scoop,
Right,
and
I
you will
just
just add them into your bowl. That's it, but then you will mix it all together. Come
there
in.
we go. Let's put the eggplant into that.
I put a lot of nuts.
I already removed
Yummy.
I love a lot of nuts
only the
too.
flesh stuff.
Because I like that crunchiness, you know, like it's.
Oh,
Yeah.
hang on, it's gonna be hot.
Maybe I'll get parsley and add some later.
Okay, yeah. And Kyle, once you add your eggplants, just mix them all together and that's it, buddy.
Oh,
You're all set.
alright, hold on, let me just
Okay?
put this down here. Okay. I'm just gonna break it down.
Thank you, Laura, for coming. Thank you, guys.
Oh, I mean, I can't believe the eggplant's gonna be cooked down
Thank you,
into this
Ingrid.
bruschetta.
Yeah, have fun.
Thank you, guys.
Wait, hold on. Let me just take a picture, alright? I need to get my smartphone with my smartphone. Hang on, John. Let me take a picture
I think he's gonna take a picture, okay?
with my smartphone. Oh, there you are. Alright, I gotta make a hurry.
Okay?
Got it.
Thank you guys so much.
Bye, guys.
Hey, John, how's it look?
That looks good,
Oh,
Kyle.
it's good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Good job.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Oh, right. Thank you, John. Alright, bye, Laura. Oh, Raya. I'm sorry. Got the wrong person. Raya.
Have a good Sunday.
Alright. It looks just almost perfect, but just like the Turkish bruschetta. But what I call this one on the eggplant with it. And once you're done that, I'm gonna prepare for making bread. Any preferred. Alright, I just made the loaf of homemade white bread that I just got to put it onto this Turkish Babagannuş, and I just made from scratch. Or you can make a more, or actually you can make whatever bread you prefer, like flat bread, even focaccia, or even like French bread, even the Babagannuş Italian bread, whatever you prefer, the bread, any type of bread, or you can do that for the bagels. And then we're gonna put this one on, whip goes with the Turkish Babagannuş on the bread, and we'll be ready to serve. And here you go, here's the finished Turkish style Baba Ghanoush. I put it on the white bread, so I just top it off here, and it's so plenty of those bread. And you're gonna love this. Just let me know in the comments below. You have to be always before sharing. So you want to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up for anyone, and don't forget to click the bell to see all notifications for new videos and the latest video. And I hope you enjoy.